Yeah, I'm out here cutting my grass right now. It's funny, on a lawnmower it says guaranteed to start. Well, too bad it's not guaranteed to stay running at almost the highest setting that you can put it at. It dies every time. You know, you get in a little bit of high grass, it'll die. It's a piece of shit. Probably a popcorn popping lawnmower could cut it better. What are you doing, Chewy? What are you doing? I got some milk bones in there for yous. I bought you a box. What? I'm gonna go get them. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I speak dog because I am. Well, men are always dogs anyway, so it don't make any difference. We're always dogs, pigs, and whatever, but... Where's Stripe at? Where's your buddy, Stripe? Don't you be barking at me. Hi, Pudge. Hi, Pudge. Hi, sweetie. Don't you be snapping it on me. Hi, Pudge. Oh, that's a good baby. You're gonna bite me, I know that. Little ankle biter. What? I'll go get you a milk bone, okay? I gotta cut my grass.